Hi, if yesterday I gave you the tutorial for the blur face, today I will show you how to create with the Mosaic face. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. First, set it on the first frame. Right click, new adjustment layer. On the adjustment layer, we are going to create a circle on the main face with Eclipse tool. Now go to tracker. If you don't have the tracker, you can add it from Windows and search for tracker. Click on the mesh and on the tracker, choose face tracking outline only and press play. Once it's done tracking, go to effects, search mosaic and apply it to the adjustment layer. You can adjust the horizontal blocks and the vertical blocks here as much as you like it. Okay, and then on the mask, I will add the mask feather and expand it with mask expansion. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!